All right, y'all, so this video has been long awaited by a lot of my subscribers. They've been asking about it, and frankly, I just hadn't got around to it yet. But they asked about this blade, and if you guys are wondering if you should upgrade to a mulching blade for this mower, I'm going to tell you all the pros and cons that I have seen over the last 6 months. So this mower, as you can tell, it's a bit dirty, and I'm going to be cleaning it up, getting it ready for spring today, but I wanted to tell you guys everything that I've experienced with this mower. I have used this for a little over a year now. I bought it back in like August of 24. This mower has been flawless. I will say it has had zero problems. And up until I needed to buy a new blade, I had zero problems with damage and things like that occurring. But if you see this wheel's a little crooked, this one's fine. And the rest of them are fine as well. The reason that's crooked is at no fault of Milwaukee's. I was cutting a yard for a customer. I do about 10 yards a week with this mower, and it's great for what I use it for. And these are, you know, full-size residential, like 1/3 acre yards. Some of them are 3/4 of an acre, and I can get it done with one charge. So I'm gonna give you some tips. I'm gonna tell you what happened here first. And what happened was I was cutting a guy's yard, and he has a son who's a teenager who has been being a little troublesome. And threw one of those water meter keys, which is a big T-handle piece of rebar, out into the yard. And this guy has tall fescue, so I couldn't see it. And the torque of this thing, being that it's electric, a normal mower probably would have shut off. This thing did not. It hit that piece of rebar. It hit it so hard, this whole wheel was bent out like this. And I was furious. So I ended up having to get a new blade. Luckily, it didn't bend, you know, anything in the internals on the engine or the motor per se, so there's no more vibration there. But this mulching blade, I'll go over the pros and cons with you guys real quick. So I'm going to go with the cons first, and that is energy consumption. This mulching blade seems to add more resistance, whether it be wind drag or the fact that it's actually gnawing up the material a little more. But it definitely uses a little more charge off the battery to do so. And the other con I've noticed, and I will say it's great for leaf cleanup. Sorry, I was trying to get my camera adjusted there. It's great for leaf cleanup. It vacuums off the ground a lot easier, and it's creating more vacuum, so you're getting more material in your bag. You get a cleaner finished product. I would not use this blade for grass cutting through the spring and summer unless it's your personal yard and you're mowing it at least once a week and you're not bagging. And that's the only benefit I can see to using this blade. And you know, it's great for, as I said, leaf removal, and it's great for if you're using it for bagging. I never really liked the flat blade, and I will say the reason why is it doesn't offer as much lift. So if you're in wet grass, it's not going to make the grass stand up as well, so you might have to go over it twice. But if you mow your grass often enough, you're not going to need to mow it twice. So it's usually the bi-monthly customers that I have, you know, the twice a month guys. And I just said, you know what, you're paying me to cut it once. I'm not cutting it twice for the same amount of money. If you want it done twice and you want it to look better, you're gonna have to pay me more. I cut grass mostly for my own health, and it puts a little pocket change. I can afford these groceries, and never had to do that before. But you know, it's you know, I can listen to my audiobooks, I can get healthy, and I can pay for my groceries. Why not? A lot of people pay for a gym membership. I get paid for mine. So this mower, as you can see in my other videos, I've done, you know, full demonstrations. I will be doing more videos this year of it actually working, and I can be showing you guys, you know, the difference between the blades. I'm going to buy another blade. But if you all are interested in this mulching blade, as I said, it's great for leaf pickup. It's great for if your yard is wet or a little overgrown and you plan to bag. So this is the number right here. I'm going to post, you're going to probably see it up in the corner right about here, a link for you guys to actually be able to buy that. And it does help me create more content as well. It's not going to cost y'all anymore. They just pay me a little bit off the top. So this mower, it's been great so far. Just avoid hitting obstacles like you would with any other mower, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching.